Hey everyone, welcome back to another Shopify tutorial. Recently, I've been getting a lot of questions about one topic, how to add a product image slider on Shopify. Before we jump into the step-by-step tutorial, let's quickly look at the two main ways you can add a product image slider to your Shopify store. Option 1, you can edit your theme code. Now, this method works, but it takes quite a bit of time, and the problem is, whether you update or change your theme, you have to manually reapply all those custom edits. And even then, there's no warranty, everything will still look or function exactly as before. Option 2, use a Shopify app. This is a much easier and safer approach. With an app, you don't have to touch any code and worry about breaking your theme when Shopify updates. So in today's videos, I'll walk you through exactly how to add a product image slider on Shopify using a free app called NestScale Swatch variant images. Alright, let's dive into it. Step number 1, set up the NestScale Swatch variant images. First, let's install and activate the app. Head over the Shopify App Store, search for NestScale Swatch variant images. Then click install. Once it's added, open the app from Shopify admin and follow the quick get started instructions, then click embedded app. You're redirected to the Shopify theme edition. Simply toggle on a switch next to the app name and hit save. Just like that, your app is live and ready to go. Step number 2, display color swatches on your storefront. Now, let's display your swatches on product and collection page. From the app's welcome screen, click choose swatches style or go directly to option configurations from the sidebar. By default, the app sees your latest hundreds products. If your product isn't listed, click add product option to find it manually. Next, toggle on the option label display style on product page for the variants you want to turn into swatches. Remember, enable the second toggle below it to also display swatches on your collection page. Here, see the drop down to select swatch shapes. Choose from square, circle, or bill. Style includes your live preview. I will with circular swatch, clean and minimal. So now choose how to present your variants visuals. First, you can use your existing Shopify variant images, or if you choose the option to click edit swatch to assign visuals. In the pop-up, assign colors or image to each variants. Just make sure each swatch match the correct variant name. Once you're finished, click done, then hit save. So now we go to the step number 3, customize the design of your swatches. Let's give your swatches some style and match your store branding. First, from the app menus, go to your design settings. You'll see through separate sections, one for product page, one for collection page. You can style both sustain or keep a unique look. So now you'll see 5 customization categories: general settings, image setting, selected swatch, unselected swatch, and hover swatch. So if you want to know detail about these categories, just hit comment below and I will make a videos about it. Once everything looks great, click save to apply your design update. Now, moving on how to set up the image sliders. On the left sidebar, click image sliders. Here you'll see 2 versions, one for desktop, another for mobile. In the general settings sections, you can toggle the enable image slider features for desktop or mobile. Personally, I like to turn it on for both. It gives customers the best experience no matter what device they're using. Next, in the gallery section, you can customize everything to match your store looks, from the gallery type and image spacing to border color and navigation arrows. Take a moment to adjust each sections for both desktop and mobile reviews, so your gallery looks great everywhere. When you're done, don't forget to click save. Then go ahead and review your product page to see how this looks. You'll notice your new image slider feel clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Customers can smoothly scroll through your product photos on both desktop and mobile, making the whole shopping experience feel more polished and engaging. Oh, and here's something really interesting. On my product page, you'll notice an estimated delivery days showing up. If you're looking to enhance your customer experience, I highly recommend adding these features, especially during the holiday seasons when shoppers want to know exactly when their order will arrive. If you'd like to learn more about how to adding that, click the link in the top right corner for the full tutorial. And that's it. You just learned how to add a product image slider to your Shopify store without writing a single line of code. Pretty simple, right? With the NestScale Swatch variant images app, you can instantly create a smooth, responsive product galleries that look amazing on both desktop and mobile. And the best part is, you never have to worry about theme updates or code edits breaking up your setup. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future Shopify tips and tutorial. And if you have any questions, just drop a comment below, and I always love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you here for the next one.